Hello, Ms. Madhu. Welcome to the ninth edition of EHA. So, how was your panel today? How's your day going?
It's going fabulous. I'm very happy that I'm here, and it's very interesting to be, talking to all the industry stalwarts, learning a lot from my peers in the industry. So thank you so much for having me here.
What were your key takeaways from the panel discussion you just had?
So I think for me it was very interesting to be sharing space with all the technical heads of all the big major brands of the industry. So Rima from Accor, Sahil from Oberoi, Senthil from Hilton, and Suraj from Wyndham. So I think it's important. It was really nice for me to see how on the same subject we can have different I wouldn't say opinions, but different way of perspectives.
Yeah.
And it's interesting to see how, as architects, we all are working in different roles and doing different responsibilities, but still coming together at the same time. So we are in a very interesting flux in the industry right now, where so many hotels coming up, so much design being shared across globally, and it's really on our shoulders on how we position Indian hospitality in years to come.
Okay. What, according to you, are the major trends that we can see in terms of architectural aspect in the hospitality industry in the coming 10 years?
So I think effortlessness with a great experience is something that I like to look at things around, because anybody walking into a hotel really does not want it to be complex. They want it to be easy, seamless. They want it to be experiential at the same time. So for me, the context of the project, the culture of the project, and the climate is very important. So how do we bring in the 3 C's of context, culture, and climate is something I feel very crucial to any project, and respecting that and working around that is very important.
And how do you strike that balance between the technicalities of it and between that ideology that we have to give our guests the best kind of well-being we can provide? How do you strike that balance?
So if you're designing any project properly and you're ensuring that the design is carried forward through the execution also, then I'm pretty sure the guest experience will be in the same manner. So for us as architects, our job doesn't really end at designing it well. It also continues to ensuring that the delivery of the project is also done seamlessly in the right manner. And if through the entire journey every step is taken care of, then we aim to achieve at a good product, which is enjoyable for the guest at the.
That's great. Any challenges you want to point out?
So the only challenge I feel is that the client's expectations are very high, whereas they don't want to spend that much amount of money. So really getting the right balance between the investment and the expectation is something that I feel very important to set stage at the beginning of the project, so that we know what we are getting towards the end.
One major design change do you see happening to the hotel rooms?
So I would like to bring in a lot of art in the hotel room and bring in a lot of local flavor, and not make it look like cookie cutter models is something that I think we are going to work towards. Thanks for the
feedback.
Feedback.
Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here. Thanks. Bye-bye.